Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java read file. So let's get started. How to read a file. Okay. In this we will use scanner class. Okay. To read the content of the file. Okay. So we have taken three input file. Okay. Java IO file. File not found exception can occur. So we have written and scanner. Okay. Now read file we are doing. Public static void means string args, and now we will write file name. So we have created a file object and we have created one scanner object, but in that we have taken the file object. While my read has next line, some data it has, then string data, I am just saving this data in here to my read dot next line and system dot out println data, and then we are closing the file. We have read closing file not found exception and error occurred, and this print success. Okay, you can see this example. So whatever there is no data, it came. File in Java might be tricky, but has fun enough. Okay, so now get the information of file. Get the information of file, what we need. Okay, so file object, file name we have passed. The file object dot exists if it exists. If not, it will print file does not exist. File exists, we need file name. Okay, the object dot get name is path absolute, get absolute path. It is writable or not, can write. Readable or not, can read. Okay, and the size in byte it will tell. Byte at 0, readable true, writable true, absolute path here, and file name is here. So dot get name, get absolute path, can read, can write, and length. So you can all use this and get your details. Okay, there are many available classes in Java API that can should read and write, like file reader, buffer reader, file scanner, file input, file writer, buffer writer, file inputs, output stream, input stream. Okay, which one is to use depend on the Java version you are working with. Okay, so whether you need to read the byte or character, the size of file line, according to that you have to use the examples. Okay, this classes. Okay, so if you have any question, please do comment, and please subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.